Hi, it's 11:25 at night, and guess what? I'm bored. Completely bored. I might be a bit of a vlogger, a bit of this, but my webcam's sort of broken, so all I can get is the audio, so that's what you're gonna have to live with. So, yep. Oh yeah, today, this teacher wanted to have a dance. They failed at trying to have the dance. Oh my god. You know what happened? We had to dance on the spot. No talking. Oh no, if you talk, the world will come to an end. You just had to stand there and dance without talking. If that's not a fail at dancing, I don't know what the hell is. So I had a doctor appointment today too. He had to take blood. I don't know why. But anyways, I thought it was going to hurt. It didn't. I watched it the entire time. It was kind of cool, actually. Anyways, this is X Ninja X Raccoon X signing off. Laters.